Abhishek, you have studied online with us, getting perfect 90 in reading. This is amazing. Reading is one module everyone out there is stressed about. What did you do to get a perfect 90 in reading? Yeah,
Speaking is a bit easy if I can say like speaking there's a lot of tricks and like regarding a lot of tricks regarding speaking, but with the reading tricks doesn't work, to be honest. All
correct.
tricks doesn't work.
Hmm.
So I focused on the prediction files, to be honest.
Mhm.
That was my first focus.
Mhm.
I take the prediction file as my primary secondary material. If you're following the tricks, especially from a tutor, I mention you to apply 100% of it.
Uh,
Don't apply 50% from someone else and 50%
correct.
of yours, to be honest.
Right. Reading is something which requires a lot of hard work, and getting 90 is amazing. It's a dream score and you have done it. How was your experience studying online, and how important are taking the mock test on Language Academy's website? Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys. What a great day. I've got Abhishek with me, one of our PT students from Melbourne, 85 overall with 19 reading. Yes, 19 reading. Speaking is 90, writing is 88, listening is 82. Congratulations. Very well done, Abhishek.
Thank you so much, sir.
Abhishek, you have studied online with us, getting perfect 90 in reading. This is amazing. Reading is one module everyone out there is stressed about. What did you do to get a perfect 90 in reading?
To be honest, sir, it is a bit challenging module in whole PTE.
Yeah.
Speaking is a bit easy if I can say like speaking. There's a lot of tricks and like regarding a lot of tricks regarding speaking, but with the reading, tricks doesn't work. To be honest, all
Correct.
tricks doesn't work.
Hmm.
So I focused on the prediction files. To be honest,
Mhm.
that was my first focus.
Mhm.
I take the prediction file as my primary secondary material. I try to
Mhm.
solve everything. Got a lot of knowledge. I try to do the rules of the blanks, what you usually said. I never bothered about the MCQ questions at all, to be honest. Never, ever at all.
Uh,
And to be honest, like prediction file helped me a lot. And with the rules, with the feedbacks of Priyanka ma'am, she provided me a lot of feedbacks regarding now you lacking in these things with the reorder paragraphs, you have to work like this way.
yeah.
So pretty much, I think I did really better with her guidance and did really very well
That's
after the guidance. So I was not, to be honest, a reorder paragraph. I found it a bit challenging as compared to the
yes.
all other things in the reading, but I improved a lot after the guidance. To be
That's
honest, yeah.
right. That's right. Rightly mentioned. In speaking, you have got tricks. In writing, you have got templates. Listening again, you have got tricks and templates. But reading is something which requires a lot of hard work, and getting 90 is amazing. It's a dream score and you have done it. Rightly said. Do not worry much about your MCQ single and multiple answers. Reorders,
Not at all.
blanks, reading, writing blanks, work on the predictions and work on the rules as well, and success will be yours. Abhishek, you've studied online with us. A lot of times students are confused that, will studying online work for me? You've taken a number of mock tests. How was your experience studying online, and how important are taking the mock test on Language Academy's website?
To be honest, according to me, learning online is better than learning offline. Give
Okay.
you flexibility. To be
Yeah.
honest,
Mm-hmm.
some people think like, nah, we have to go offline. But according to me, learning online is very very better.
Mm-hmm.
And especially with one-to-one session, you better understand like what's your weakness, what's your points you need to focus, and how you cannot get your desired score after, because your teacher gonna evaluate you like how you're doing.
Correct.
According to me, sometimes app doesn't gonna recognize you what are you doing, but your teacher better recognize you, like
100%.
your tutor better recognize you what are you doing when
100%.
you're giving up mock test.
Yeah.
So she focused on my like Franca ma'am's focus on some things like I was lacking, like she told like, nah, here you're getting scores, but according to me app is very accurate, like I can say 95% accurate, but
Correct.
the 5% you have to guidance from your
100%.
tutors.
Correct. Correct. Rightly mentioned. App is just a guide map for you. App is going to give you a good enough feedback, but the perfect feedback will always be given by your tutor. You need to make sure whatever mock test you take, whatever practice you do, as Abhishek did, ask for feedback and see what mistakes you have actually made, where you have lost points, and how you have to improve the same. Just taking the mock test, sitting, relaxing, looking at the scores, it's not going to do much unless and until you get the feedback. Once you have the feedback in place, you actually analyze where you have gone wrong. That is something which will help you get your desired scores as well. Abhishek, any final tips, advice, strategies, or techniques which you followed, which other students who are struggling should do so that they can get their desired scores as well?
According to me, sir, like if you're following the trick, especially from a tutor, I mention you to apply 100% of it.
Uh,
Don't apply 50% from someone else and 50%
correct,
of yours, to be honest.
correct,
If you're doing 100% what your teachers or your tutor is explaining, you do like the same way they're telling you. Don't think like you can do better. Some
correct.
students think like, nah, I can do like that way. It will give me good marks in the app. I
Hmm.
never say like app is very like give you like good results, but according to me, more trust more on your tutors as compared to the apps.
Correct.
That's the only way you're getting a good marks in the exam.
That's right.
Like if you're getting 85 in the app and you're saying like I'm getting 85, I'm able to get 19 in the
Yeah,
exam, but you're getting at last 75 rating, and then you're saying where I was lacking, I was getting good marks
correct.
because you haven't got the reviews about it. That's the problem.
That's right. That's rightly said. Do not just analyze or look at the scores given by any of the thing. Plus, one thing which I really liked, follow whatever your tutor is telling you 100%. Don't be half-hearted when you're following any kind of strategies. If you are confused, let's say if I suggest you to add extra words in right from dictation. Sometimes you're confused whether this will work or not. Let's say if I give you a template, you're confused, will this work or not? You will just be wasting your time implementing new strategies again and again, and you will not be improving. Rather, follow one thing. It's not that you just follow us. You follow whichever tutor you have, but make sure you are completely into it and you follow that person 100%. Everything works if you get the right feedback, do the right thing under the right guidance. And that is what Abhishek has done and has got this amazing score. Congratulations once again and all the very
Thank
best.
you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Guys, remember, if Abhishek has done it, if I have done it, and thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it as well. Make sure you trust your tutor, you take regular feedback, practice, take the mock test, analyze, as Abhishek has mentioned, get to know what mistakes you're making and how you have to improve the same, where you have actually lost points, work on the same, go take your test, smash it, and get a perfect 19 reading and speaking as Abhishek has got. Congratulations, and once
Thank you
again,
so much, sir.
all the very best.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
That's it from this video, guys. Remember, if he has done it, you can do it as well. Just make sure you work hard and smart in the right direction, under the right guidance, and success will be yours. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you in the next video.